So hey guys, what's up? So welcome to World News 20 News channel. So let's talk about New York Governor says worst is over. Toll crosses 10,000. New York Governor Andrew Cuomo on Monday said the worst is over for the state hit hardest by the novel coronavirus as hospitalizations appear to be reaching a plateau, and that's increased by 671. The lowest daily total in a week. Cuomo, who has been working closely with the governors of New Jersey and Connecticut in response to the pandemic, also indicated that he would announce a coordinated regional plan on reopening businesses and schools later on Monday. Cuomo told a briefing that an additional 671 New York residents died on Sunday, down from 758 a day earlier and the lowest tally total since April 5. He also pointed to the apparent plateauing of the hospitalizations as a positive sign, but he adds his declaration that New York has passed the deadliest stage with a warning that all the gains achieved through social distancing could be undone if we do something stupid and relax the restrictions too quickly. We can't control the spread. Feel good about that. Cuomo said the worst is over, and if we continue to be smart going forward, the United States, with the world's third largest population, has recorded more fatalities from COVID-19 than any other country, with more than 22,800 deaths as of Monday morning, according to Reuters tally. New York, the epicenter of the outbreak in the United States, has now recorded 10,056 deaths, nearly half of the total across the U.S. While he did not provide details on the reopening plan, Cuomo has said that it makes sense to work closely with the neighboring states of the Connecticut and New Jersey. Given the interconnectedness of the businesses and workers in the region, Cuomo said the reopening would be incremental steps, that he believed those steps should be informed mainly by the public health experts and not politicians. In reopening the economy, Cuomo said the focus would be on recalibrating what is essential and would at first involve more central workers. He said more testing would be needed to collect information about who should be going to work. You will start to open that valve on the economic activity, and you will turn that valve very slowly. He said, do it carefully, do it slowly, and do it intelligently. More testing and more precautions. Trump, it is my decision when to reopen the economy. President Donald Trump said on Monday it was his decision when to reopen the U.S. economy, not that of a state government. It is the decision of the president, and for many good reasons. With that being said, the administration and I are working closely with the governors, and this will continue. A decision by me in conjunction with the governors and input from others will be made shortly. Some tweeted. Meanwhile, New York City is in danger of running out of swabs for COVID-19 tests and should be only test hospitalized patients. The city health department said in a memo to the healthcare providers, as the swab supply continues to decline, there is a real possibility hospitals will completely roll out the April 11 health alert said. An effort to rush fresh assistance to the U.S. small businesses struggling against the coronavirus outbreak stalled in Congress on Monday as the health emergency failed to overcome the differences between the Republicans and the Democrats. Senate Republicans who are pressing lawmakers to agree to $250 billion in additional small businesses aid choose not to bring their measure forward during a brief Senate session. The U.S. Supreme Court said Monday it will hold arguments by teleconference in May in key cases, including President Donald Trump's bid to shield his tax and other financial recourse. The court will make live audio of the arguments available for the first time. It had previously postponed courtroom arguments for March and April because of the coronavirus. So if you like the channel, so kindly subscribe to it.